Let's talk about what you need to have to file for the R1 religious visa and win. Number one, you need a bona fide job offer from a religious organization. It could be a church, a mosque, a religious school, a religious organization, but it has to be a bona fide job offer with a term of employment, with a salary offered, with the explanation of like the conditions, the position, and the description of the position you'll be working in. It could be a priest, a monk, a choir director, a teacher of a religious school, and so on. It could be any administrative position too, but it has to be a religious worker. Second, you need to prove that you were a member of this religious denomination, like this type of religion, for at least 2 years prior. And if you had religious education, for example, again, somebody who's a priest or imam or a monk, they've attended seminary, they have a theological degree. So that's what you have to show. But they're not just limited to those jobs, to people who have religious education. As long as your education is there generally, it doesn't have to be religious, plus you're in this religious organization and denomination, you can get this visa. Next, we need to file the I-129 petition plus the R1 or the R supplement to it. Next, we have to do a description of the job, explain the hours, explain like the wages, the salary, plus any other compensation you'll be getting, like housing paid for, like insurance, health insurance, dental, vacation paid, paid time off. So that has to be listed in everything. And you would have to attach a letter from this religious organization that they have recognition from the federal government. Usually you get an IRS letter of their religious tax exemption, okay? We put all this together and we send it out. It doesn't take long, but always expect a home visit at the employment place. So if you say the physical place of the church is at 123 Main Road, Old Bridge, New Jersey, expect a visit there by the Department of Homeland Security officer to come out and check where the person that they're hiring will be living at, working at, if this is a legitimate church, a legitimate mosque, a legitimate religious school, whatever it is. They're double checking to prevent any kind of abuse and fraud. Always expect a site visit. That's what it's called. Overall, we've done many of these. These are not difficult with all the right documentation that I described, and it is a temporary visa. Now, if you want to apply for a green card, that's the next step, and we file a different form, and it's quite a long wait right now. It's around 4 to 5 years queue or wait to be able to file for a green card in this category. Give us a call today if this is your type of situation, you're recognizing yourself in this, and you think you'd like an R1 religious visa. Give us a call today.